To iTeam8 now. A Marion County judge must now decide if the state's new abortion law violates the religious freedom law.
That legal fight took center stage in a Marion County courtroom this morning. iTeam8's Richard Essex was there as it happened.
Does the new Indiana near total ban on abortion violate religious freedom? A group of Indiana Jewish women say it does.
I think just because a law happens to be consistent with some religious teachings doesn't make it a religious law.
The 5 women in the lawsuit have chosen to remain anonymous. In the court filings, they say that the state is apparently under the impression that Indiana's near total ban on abortion, including religiously mandated abortions, only affect women once they are pregnant and wish to terminate a pregnancy. These women say their religion believes that if a pregnancy has a negative impact on their emotional or physical health, they're required to terminate. And they argue the new ban violates the state's religious freedom law.
This is not a monumental ask. It's asking that another exception be carved out of the law for persons who have sincere religious beliefs.
In the court filings, the women say they have altered their behavior to minimize or eliminate the chance of getting pregnant. They fear that under the new abortion law, that should they need to terminate a pregnancy as required by their religious beliefs, they wouldn't legally be allowed to do so. Thomas Fisher from the Indiana Attorney General's office is defending the new law.
Religious liberty is important. Let's bear that in mind. But so is protecting the life of the unborn. And here, the reason that the General Assembly enacted RFRA the way it did to provide for that compelling interest override is for laws like this.
A special judge has already blocked enforcement of the abortion ban. This lawsuit could potentially draw a line in the sand for complete religious freedom.
But we have, very ardent Muslim, Jewish contentions, principles that state that life begins much later than fertilization.
This case would have no direct impact on the current injunction. The judge here in Marion County isn't expected to issue a ruling for at least a month. In Indianapolis, Richard Essex, Wish TV, iTeam8.